Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your avatar on Instagram. So if you create your own avatar on a metaverse like Facebook or Instagram, of course you can easily edit, easily change your preferences. For example, you can try to open settings and activity. You can access it by tap on your profile and tap on three strap at the top of your screen. This is the settings and activity. You can scroll down and search the avatar interaction. You can tap it. Here my avatar is public, and tap on the avatar, and here you can try to change your avatar like style here, a makeup, face, body, closet, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so can press button below. See you in the next video.